other side. Ain't no way to understand stupid words of pride. It would take an acrobat, and I've already tried all that. I'm gonna let her fly. Things can move at such a pace, second hand just waves goodbye. You know the light has left her face, you can't recall just where or why. So there was really nothing to it, I just went and cut right through it. I'm gonna let her fly. There's no mercy in a live wire, no rest at all in freedom. The choices we are giving them, ain't no choice at all. Yeah, the proof is in the fire you touch before it moves away. But you must always know how long to stay and when to go. There ain't no talking to this girl, she's been trying to tell me so. It took a while to understand the beauty of just letting go. It would take an acrobat, and I've already tried all that. I'm gonna let her fly.